Okay, hello grade 11. I'm so sorry that
Hello, grade 11.
so sorry I wasn't here today. It's just homesick with my kids. So
With my kids, like Victoria and Sydney.
so what I was going to teach you in class today was series. So I left you a worksheet on it. Yeah, so yesterday we learned sequences, arithmetic and geometric sequence. And just to remind you, a sequence was like if you had 5, 7, 9, 11, dot, dot, dot. And it kept going. So those were called sequences. And we had arithmetic and geometric. So arithmetic ones were where you were adding or subtracting. Geometric would be where you were like multiplying each previous term or dividing. So these were the arithmetic ones and the geometric, arithmetic and geometric. Okay, so series are just when we take those sequences and we add each term together. So maybe we would like to know the sum of our sequences. That's what series are. So are the sum of the terms of a sequence. And again, we have arithmetic and geometric series. So let's just quickly talk about arithmetic series. Oh my gosh. So arithmetics are obviously when we add the sum, when we take the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So we use this terminology Sn to represent the sum of n terms. So the sum of, so if I said like S60, that would be the sum of the first 60 terms in the sequence. Or if I said like S4, that would be if I just add 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. It would just them. So it's just when you add like the first term plus the second term plus the third term plus all the way till the nth term. So you're just adding all of the terms of a sequence. And it turns out we don't need to see all of the sequence, all the terms of the sequence to actually know the total because we know the pattern. So we're able to just use our formula varied slightly. So this is actually what our equation is for an arithmetic series. The sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence is equal to the number of terms divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times the first term, which is a, plus our common difference times n minus 1. So this right here is our arithmetic series formula. So this can take the terms of a sequence and add them all up. So for example, say I had this sequence. You have your own one of those. 3, 11, 19, 27. So you can see these are going up by 8 each time. So this is just our arithmetic sequence. But we're going to add it. We're going to add the terms together to make our arithmetic series. And I wanted to add the first 40 terms together. So I'll just use my formula, S40, to get the sum of the first 40. So I'll sub 40 in there. 2 times a, which is the first term, plus my common difference is I'm adding 8 every time. 8 is my common difference, and n is 40 because I want to know the first 40 terms. So just substitute all the stuff into that formula, and I end up with 20. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 40 minus 1 is 39. What's 39 times 8? 24. 31? Is that right? Okay. 312. Then I just do 6 plus 312. So I get 20 times 318. I have to times that by 20. Okay, so that would be, so wait, 2 times 318 would be 636. 0? Is that right? Sorry, I don't have a calculator, but I think it is.
It's done, Mom.
Oh! So that's how you do an arithmetic series. So now we know the sum of the...
Done.
Okay, one sec. So now we know the sum of the first 40 terms is
And
6,360.
I'm gonna pause it out.
Okay, one sec, honey. And you can do the same thing, it turns out, for
And I'm sick.
geometric sequences. So we call these geometric series. Off on the shelf. So geometric series is this formula. Just formula really quick because I have to get off this. So this is our formula for geometric series. So we could take a geometric sequence like -3 plus 15 minus 75 plus 375 ... And I can find the sum of the terms if I want to. Say I want to find the first 10 terms by just subbing into the formula S10. So A would be -3. My R value looks like I am multiplying by -5 each time, because -3 times -5 would be 15. So R must be -5. So I got -5 to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by R, which is -5 minus 1. Now I just solve this, which I can't do that in my head. So that'll give you some answers. So pretty much that's all I was going to teach today, was just what series were. And they're just the sums of terms in a sequence. I'm so sorry that I missed that.
Come to